Hello designers, welcome to our very first course, Interior Design Pricing Simplified, course that will take your passion for interior design to profitable business that doesn't only help you survive the business world, but also thrive in the business world. But we're going to start with a quote by Warren Buffett, one of the world's billionaires. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Here in the interior design world, as designers, we don't realize how much value we're giving, a lot of our time, our energy, and we put our soul into our projects. So it's only fair for us to be paid as much as we put in this work and in developing our skill set. Without further ado, let's get introduction out of the way. Why, hello there. I'm Asil and I'm your guide through this journey. I really hope to give you as much value as I possibly can. I graduated 2014 from interior design school and I have a bachelor in interior design, but I also have 10 years, a decade of experience. I've been working different jobs. I started being in a fit out company, moving on to be a project manager at my friend's company, and then I was a teaching assistant at my old university. I jumped through jobs a lot. I've taken the odd job here and there. I've always been freelancing throughout the entire process, but I also worked in IKEA, and that was my last job. I was an interior designer in IKEA, and that helped me gauge a lot of the business world alongside with the interior design skills that I've learned. Since I wore so many hats, I realized what I want early on, and I did not want 9 to 5. I obviously ended up having the 24/7 instead. I'm enjoying the freelancing world and I've got a few tricks to teach you and to discuss with you about pricing. I have few stories to share with you. After all of this experience, I started working with other designers to help them raise their prices. I've tripled, I've quadrupled some of my designers' prices, and that's what I want for you. So I really hope that you enjoy hanging out with me in this course. So I want to welcome you designers to a journey of financial success in the interior design career path, and I'm here for you always. So let's begin. Let's dive in. Here are some of the topics that we'll be covering in this course. So we'll have essential strategies to price your services confidently. I'll teach you how to attract high quality clients so you don't have to negotiate with a price. I'll teach you some negotiation techniques, and I'll also make sure that you have the basic understanding for psychology as well in pricing, because there's a lot of things to cover and there's different ways that you can approach a client with price for their project. I want you to fully understand the value that you bring onto the table because it's a big one. As interior designers, our pricing strategy directly impacts our livelihood. This is what we do for a living. It means that you're earning enough income to thrive. We don't want to get by. We want to make sure we can upscale our businesses and we are able to provide for our families. Just buy yourself a house or a car, whatever it is that you might desire. Working on getting the pricing right means that you can get all of these things and more. And also it affects our client relationships directly. Now, a lot of the interior designers that I know, we all thrive with the marketing strategy of word of mouth. That kind of marketing strategy, it only comes with a lot of good relationships with other clients. So for us to not resent the client, because by the end of the day, when we're working with a client, they're spending a lot of money buying things, and if we not feel fulfilled with the payment, we might feel a sense of resentment towards them. Pricing right is a game changer when it comes to your marketing strategy, when it comes to your livelihood, and of course your confidence and your love for your work. Real quick here, there are some helpful downloads that you can see. There's Notion, there's Toggle, and Fudget. I really recommend these, but especially with Notion because we have a lot of worksheets on it and it works directly with the course.